Express service to Lynn by the Sea is delayed by approximately 9. We are sorry that your journey will take longer than planned. Platform 2 for the 10:56 Stepford Express service to Lynn by the Sea. Calling at Leighton City, West Wyvern, and
This is Leighton.
This train is formed of 5 coaches. First class is located at the rear of the train.
City.
Minutes. We are sorry.
Welcome on board this Stepford Express service to Lynn by the Sea. We will shortly be arriving at Leighton City. Change here for trains to Leighton West and Rayleigh Bay. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform.
Service from failure has been cancelled. This is due to a member of the train crew being unavailable.
This train is for Lynn by the Sea. The next station will be West Wyvern. Welcome on board this Stepford service to West Wyvern. We will be calling at Edgemead.
The train now approaching platform 4 terminates here. This train is the service from Stepford, Victoria. The 11.